Hey, what's up, guys? If you're new in the affiliate marketing space and you want to make money quickly, this video is for you. So let's get into it. If I were to give you advice on how you can make money right now today, I would go to a Facebook group. I would look for affiliate marketing Facebook group and say, hey, is anybody buying leads for mortgage? Anybody buying leads for credit repair? Anybody buying leads for solar? Find a buyer. I'd say, okay, what are you paying per lead? So let's say a solar guy is saying, I'm looking for traffic. I'll pay you $30 for every lead that you get me. Drive traffic to my site. When the user fills out this first page and submits, you will get paid $30. Great. Let's get a test set up, do 100 leads, see how it does with the quality, and come back. Great. Gives me the deal. Now I would go to another Facebook group where there's affiliates that run traffic, media buyers, and say, hey, anybody know how to run traffic for solar? I'm looking for traffic on Facebook. I'm looking for traffic on Snapchat. I'm looking for traffic on TikTok. Yeah, I do it. Great. Hey, would you run traffic to this page? I'd send them the link, and I'm willing to pay you $20 every time somebody lands on this page, fills out the form, and presses submit. If that person says yes, I will then take that offer and give it to the Facebook buyer. They will go out and generate leads for me, and I will only pay when they generate a lead. That means that on 100 leads, this Facebook buyer would go out, generate leads to my solar offer for $30 that I'm getting paid. They're doing it for 20. I would make $10 a lead, and I just put that deal together, and I really didn't spend any money. Just took a little time to make a match. We're in business. So there's different groups in Facebook. Each group has a different topic. There's topics out there for affiliates that run traffic to Facebook. There's affiliates that run traffic in native. There's buy side. There's lead gen. So there's all these different types of Facebook groups. So you can dive in there and start talking to people and kind of figuring it out. What you do is you have to figure out where you want to play first, right? Let's say that I was in the market and I wanted to be involved in debt consolidation. There's a lot of ways to find buy side. There's buyers out there that are advertising today. So there's two types of buyers. There's the direct buyer, the actual company that's servicing the consumer. And then there's also lead gen sites that generate leads for debt companies and then sell it to the actual debt service provider. So there's two ways that you can actually play in the space. The easier low-hanging fruit is to work with some of these lead gen guys that have already done the work for you. They have their lead gen verticals. They're looking for traffic to their sites where they generate leads for someone interested in debt consolidation. They're going to pay you on some cost per lead, cost per sale, whatever that model is. Then they sell that lead on the back end to their buy side. If you were starting out, I wouldn't recommend you go direct to an advertiser. The easiest way is to go to an affiliate network. Go test things within affiliate networks. But if you're going to go out and try to do it without an affiliate network because you want to get a higher payout and you're looking to work direct with somebody, lead gen companies are a good play because you can get started, you get paid, they did the work, they have the back end buyers, you can generate leads to them, they can then sell them. If the quality is good, you're doing well, and you want to continue to move forward in that vertical and then build out your own forms, you can do that and then reach out directly to the back end buyers and build out your own lead gen vertical in that niche. So in that case, debt consolidation. So we have an affiliate network. Ultimately, there's companies out there that have relationships with advertisers. What they do is they will work on behalf of a advertiser to try to get them traffic, and they get paid on a cost per lead, a cost per sale, whatever that deal is that they did. So an affiliate network will have advertiser deals inside of their network, either third party or it could be their own, owned and operated. They call it O&O. What they do is then they try to get publishers, people that drive traffic, or affiliates to join their network. So then what they have there is now two sides of the house, the advertiser and the publisher, and then they're just making matches. So as someone who's looking to go and run traffic, low-hanging fruit to get started, you can join affiliate networks, and if they accept you, then you immediately have access to all of their deals. Some deals are public where you can go in and pull the links right there and then. Others you might have to apply to get approved, and they pay out on some sort of performance basis, but it puts you in business pretty quickly. And what's cool about that is it allows you to test. Affiliate networks, obviously, they're making a margin in between where they sit because they're making the match, right? The advertiser, they have the publisher, they're putting it together, they're making a middle. So if they're getting paid $15 on a lead, they're taking 20%, then they're going to end up taking $3 off the top. So you're going to get paid 12 on that, right? So when you're in an affiliate network and you're running traffic, typically, you're not getting the highest payout on the street. However, you're okay with that to run traffic. And there's a lot of ways. You don't necessarily have to leave the network if you're doing well, because if you're starting to run good traffic, they're going to talk to you more and realize you're a player. Ultimately, they can communicate back to their advertiser, hey, we got this great super affiliate. They're buying a lot of traffic on native and they're crushing it and they need a higher payout. You kind of work with them. Typically, advertisers, once they see traffic, they see that they can drive some volume and quality, they're going to work with you and increase if they can. Or if you don't want to, you can leave. For the most part, you don't want to screw over your affiliate network because that's just one deal and it's not worth it, versus like an affiliate network could bring you 10, 20, 30, 50 deals in a year. They're doing all the work for you. So what's powerful about that is if you're a one-man shop, if you're an affiliate, you want to learn how to buy traffic, you want to learn how to go out and get traffic. If you want to do arbitrage where you want to go find distribution, people that have traffic, you can go to an affiliate network and go and get those deals. That is already done for you. You don't have to go and deal with an advertiser. You don't have to worry about finding buy side. They've done all that work for you. And now they're just presenting you with the offer. So they'll give you the links and the assets for you to go and run traffic. They'll tell you what the rules are. They'll tell you what you can't do. And then they police it and make sure that you're doing a good job and working hard to drive traffic for them. And it's a partnership. We have a network of our own. It's more boutique. We have some deals in there and a lot of our own stuff, owned and operated. It's a good way to get started if you're an affiliate, is joining affiliate networks. And at some point, if you're looking to broker deals and do the arbitrage, you should at some point have your own tracking platform to be able to have your own mini affiliate network where publishers can come in and see what's going on with their deals, track the performance, you log in, all the stats are there, and the business runs nicely. There's so many different types of affiliate networks out there that have different niches and different focuses. Think of it as it's a tracking platform. It's technology where you can log in and be able to like grab deals, track your offers in real time and see what's happening, right? There's the lead gen side of things like the dating, the solar, the debt, personal injury, the Medicare, Medicaid, all those guys in the lead gen space that are running traffic. Home improvement's a big one. But then there's also like Rakuten. They have like deals with these like massive like retail, Walmart, Target, like these massive brands. They're paying out on 2% of a sale, 5% of a sale. And you're able to go in and pull links and run traffic to some of those types of deals as well. There's just so many. If you go into any sort of AI and ask for, hey, can you list for me top 10 affiliate networks that focus on dating, top 10 affiliate networks that paid out the most commissions in 2024, right? Those are the companies that like pushed everything out there. I don't do any of that. The Affiliate Summit West is coming up, and it's coming up February 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So we're here preparing for that show. Prior to the show, what we do is we're going to identify, what's our goal? What do we want to do? What are we looking to accomplish? And then who are we looking for? We're going to then go into that platform, which they give you, and they show you like attendees and things of that nature so that you can go and reach out, talk to them, try to set up a meeting prior to the show. That's a really important thing. A lot of people just show up to the show and then they're just like walking around and hoping that they bump into people, which is great. When you really want to bang out the best opportunity to be the most efficient when you're going to these things, is you have to think about it as, if I were to travel to Dallas, first thought I'd have is, do I have any other partners in Dallas that I can maybe connect with to get 2, 3, 4 different meetings going on for that one trip? In a scenario where we go to these conferences, you have to think about it as everybody's going there. You have this massive opportunity to like meet with 20, 30, 50 companies at one time. So if you do a good job of connecting ahead of time and scheduling meetings, typically if we do a good job, we have 3 people going. Each one of us should have 30-minute slots from like Sunday at 9 a.m. to like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 30-minute, boom, 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 of people that are there. Some are partners that we're connecting with that we just work with and we want to see, say hello, say what's up. Others are newbies, that you're new traffic, new people that we're trying to connect with. When we're talking about this thing here with affiliate networks, our goal is we have a product where we help affiliate networks monetize unwanted traffic. So what does that mean? Affiliate networks, like we described, right? They have advertisers. They go out and get traffic with their affiliates. Their publishers will drive traffic. What happens is there could be duplicate clicks. There could be restrictions on the geographic location, like they only take traffic in certain states or maybe only the United States. So any traffic that comes from international or a different state that they're not taking that traffic for the advertiser. What happens is because that just goes to dead links. They can't monetize it. So we have a product company called Revflow, where what we do is we monetize that traffic for affiliate networks. One of those products that Revflow has is the auto redirect. So what happens is like if a duplicate click comes in within 24 hours, they then will redirect that second click from the same person to our Revflow. And then we have this interstitial that pops up that says, hey, this offer is not available for you, but we're finding a match for you. And then what we do is we send them into a flow. And then what we do is we'll show them relevant offers that we can now make money off of that click that they were not making. It could be significant revenue. Depending on how many clicks they're getting in a day, on my own network, we were making like $3,000 a day in auto redirect traffic. That's real numbers. If you think about it, like 30 days, what is that? $90,000 on traffic that we were not making any money on. That's a cool product that we're now going to the show on. And now we need to go and find affiliate networks to say, hey guys, what are you doing with your unwanted traffic? What's happening there? They either say we have a redirect set up or not. If they do, then we have to try to figure out if we can compete and outperform what they're doing. Or if they don't, then it's a home run. The point is, people just think so straight about like offers. If you want to get into the space and you want to make money, you're thinking, oh, well, where do you find offers? You don't really necessarily need an offer in this case, right? In this case, you could be somebody that's just like, hey, I want to make money. Great. Okay, well, go find an affiliate network that is running traffic to all their offers. If they have any unwanted traffic and you get them to want to run Revflow, then we would pay them on a commission basis. Now they're sitting in the middle of that. The main thing with Revflow, where we're going at, is it monetizes confirmation pages on the completion of a sign up on the transaction. Anybody that fills out a form and then completes and lands on a confirmation page, we launch a Revflow. We're serving relevant ads to the user, increase the user experience, add value, and help generate some revenue for that lead gen site. Or in a scenario like if somebody is signing up on an education portal and they want a degree in psychology and they don't have any buyers for that, they'll then redirect that traffic to us, and then we'll monetize that traffic with knowing that they're looking for a degree in psychology. We'll then serve them relevant ads. We'll then be able to monetize that person when the education portal couldn't do that. They're disqualified traffic they don't do anything with. So we monetize that traffic. If you're an affiliate and you want to get started working with us, you can go to revflow.me, revflo.me, reach out to us, or you can join my text community, 917-636-1998. Text me that you're interested, say what's up, and let us know that you saw this and you're interested and you want to work with us, and we can go from there and get started. Subscribe, turn on your notifications. All right, see you guys on the next one.